Hey y'all, Jeff Dolsky, Realtor and Auctioneer with Udoni Sale and Realty Group, tossing a stick for Tucker in this cool little double lot in this 3-bed, 1.5 bath residence on Fulton Street. We are going to begin an online only auction on highbid.com. Click, bid, win. But first, let's go take a look at this house, shall we? Discover this charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home, ideally located in Waupaca and just minutes from downtown. This move-in ready gem offers the perfect blend of convenience and comfort with updates throughout. The inviting living room features a spacious fireplace, creating the perfect ambiance for cozy evenings. The efficient kitchen comes complete with included appliances. A screened porch off the front entryway provides a serene spot to enjoy your morning coffee or relax after a long day. Outside, a double lot with a fenced-in yard offers plenty of space for your pets, gardening, and outdoor entertainment. The detached garage, complete with a lower-level storage area, provides both practicality and extra room for all your needs. Don't miss the opportunity to make this home yours. This online auction is now live. Give listing brokers Joe Udoni or Lori Verhalen a call, or Jeff Dolsky Auctioneer. Click, bid,